raised in Brazil.
Came here, was 26, and now 37 years later.
So you were saying you can't really bend down very well like
No.
you used to.
I was able to go. I couldn't do that. So. Yeah. Much looser. I did jiu-jitsu last week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Yeah.
And I went to EOS for weights.
Okay.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get
Starting to
active
feel it a
again. I think if you get back adjusting, and then it's gonna help continue with the workout. And
Bring this ear over here and just relax. Perfect. There we go. I feel okay there?
mm-hmm.
Good.
I heard a big crack, but I'm alive.
Perfect.
Ooh, that was good.
Okay, we'll go face down here for me. Been to some other chiropractors around here, but just kind of felt like they were a little bit softer, you were saying?
Yeah.
Definitely like to make things move. I want to make sure that, there we go. Good. Deep breath in. We can be soft if we need to, but you don't need that, do you?
Nah.
Flip all the way on your back for me. And roll it down. Good. And relax there. A little bit of a drop here. Okay, other side. Let's see if we can get a little more out of that other side. Yeah, that back. Lower back is definitely stiff. Feel it a little bit in the ankles, maybe up into the hip. There we go. Here. Oh, that was a big ankle adjustment.
Yeah, I felt in there.
Yeah. Good. I feel okay there.
I felt nice cracking all the way.
You felt it go all the way down?
Yeah.
Good.
I was able to go. I couldn't do that. So. Yeah. Much looser.